There are actually 10 distinct entry roles in health IT, ranging from clinical analysts to credential trainers. Your specific bedside background dictates exactly which of those roles you should target first. This branching map shows where your specialty fits. Intensive care logic maps to the ClinDoc module. Emergency expertise targets ASAP. As the map splits, the translator takes a basic statement, like trained nurses, and scales it to a level 3 analyst voice, provided end-user workflow training. You take these newly translated level 3 phrases and inject them into the provided resume templates. Whether you are an entry-level applicant, a mid-career charge nurse, or a clinical director, your experience is completely reframed for the hiring manager. Combining precise software module targeting with level 3 vocabulary is the only reliable way to bypass initial recruiter screening filters and prove you understand the software. Securing the interview is a solid start, but passing it requires macro-level workflow literacy. You have to understand how clinical systems actually talk to each other.